Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ogawadi. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make Tigernut fufu. Despite its name, Tigernut flour is not free, guys. It is fantastic. It's a substitute for those following all those low-carb protocols, gluten-free, allergy and all that. This is good for you. So this Tigernut pulp flour is made by dehydrating the pulp fiber leftover that I got from making my Tigernut milk. Hopefully the link should be popping up anytime from now. The texture is very light, it is airy, and it is better described as a meal rather than a flour. You know, there is a difference between almond meal, almond flour. I think it's the same thing with this. So guys, what I did here was dehydrate the pulp, which is the chaff, and then I dehydrated it by using my oven. Actually put it in the oven, it dried out the water in it, and then I poured it in the blender and I blended it. I used my NutriBullet, blended it to make it smooth. So in making this, I'm going to be using the psyllium husk, which was the picture that I just showed, to be to serve as the binder for this. If you're not on low carb diet or you don't really care, you could use cassava, tapioca, starch, wheat and all that, but I'm using psyllium husk because I'm on low carb. So when your water boils, so you just go ahead, pour it in and start stirring it. Stir it until it start combining. The psyllium husk is going to help it to combine. And when it's kind of combined, I just pour a little water and bring it to a boil just to cook it more. And then I stir again. And basically that's it. Look at how simple that is, guys. You need to try this if you're on a low carb diet. This is another amazing substitute if you don't want to use like cabbage, cauliflower, coconut flour and all that. This is another one you might consider trying. You might like it because it really have a very nice texture and a very nice taste also. Okay, and also watch the video of the Tigernut milk. In case you haven't watched it, watch it and make yourself a beautiful Tigernut milk. If you have any allergy of nuts, this is your milk. If you're lactose intolerant, that's your milk also. And guess what? The pulp, look at what we got out of it. Making fufu. Wow, is that not amazing? A pulp. Wow, it's good. Tigernut is just a plant, okay? So guys, you see what I'm doing here? Stirring and stirring it. It's basically done. I'm just letting it come together more. All right. This is I mean, with this meal you could lose weight. It helps since the carbohydrate level is not that high. It is good, and it has a high fiber content. You know what? High fiber can help your stomach, your gut, your digestion will be amazing. If your digestion is good, girl, boy, you're gonna lose that weight. So now I'm done here. I'm just transferring it into the cling wrap. I'm just gonna wrap it up in the cling wrap for till whenever I want to use it. If I'm not ready for that day, I could store it in my fridge. If I'm ready, when it cools down, I just go ahead and serve me a very nice, probably okra soup or puno soup or any kind of soup I like. And I download this. This is a nice recipe, guys. Give it a try. Tag me on Facebook, Instagram. If you make it, let me see your picture. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching, for the first time, oh my God, God bless you. Thank you for considering tuning into my channel. God bless you. And to my oldies, I love you all. Stay safe, guys. Stay blessed. Continue to blossom. Bye for now. Bye.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do